Good afternoon. Mwiriwe.
Mwiriwe neza.
Thank you so much for coming back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to tell directions, how to give directions. So we are going to start, in Kigali, let's say in Kigali, the street numbers, house numbers, but some places they don't have numbers. Most of the time we talk about the landmarks. So if there is a market, an hospital, or a school, or a church, usually we say hafi y'urusengero, hafi y'ishuri, hafi y'ibitaro, close to something most of the time. But we have numbers. We're going to learn how to tell numbers while we are giving directions. Aldo, murugo ni he?
Murugo ni Remera, hafi ya stade.
Utuye hafi ya stade. Ahagana he?
Ntuye i Remera munsi ya stade Amahoro.
Noneho ushobora kutubwira nomero y'umuhanda?
Yego. Nimero y'umuhanda wacu ni keke 210. Keke ubwo ni Kigali Kicukiro.
Kigali Kicukiro. So the street numbers, I start with KK or KG or KN. So your number is KK. And ushobora kutubwira nomero y'inzu?
Nomero y'inzu yacu ni 35.
So hari KG uvuga Kigali Gasabo. Njyewe ntuye Kimihurura, hafi ya Mamba Club, ku muhanda wa nomero KG KG 306. Nomero y'inzu ni 29. So ushobora kuvuga nomero y'umuhanda cyangwa ukavuga nomero y'inzu. Nomero z'imihanda muri Kicukiro ni KK, Kigali Kicukiro, mu karere ka Kicukiro. Nomero z'imihanda mu mujyi muri Nyarugenge ni KN, Kigali Nyarugenge. Hanyuma nomero z'imihanda muri Gasabo harimo Kimihurura, harimo Kacyiru, Nyarutarama, Kagugu, ni Kigali Gasabo KG cyangwa KG. Ubwo rero ufata nomero y'inzu hanyuma ukongeraho na nomero y'umuhanda. Ntabwo ari nomero y'umuhanda hanyuma nomero y'inzu. Niba utuye kuri KK 505, nomero y'inzu 35. So wandika 35 KK 505. Nomero y'inzu, nomero y'umuhanda. Hanyuma ugomba kumenya utuye hafi ya. So you have to know some landmarks or some known places around your neighborhood.
Nk'urugero ukavuga ati ntuye i Remera hafi ya stade Amahoro.
Yego, hafi ya stade. Kuko stade abantu bose bazi stade. Everyone knows where is the stadium. So when you say Amahoro Stadium, when you say ntuye hafi ya stade. If there is a market or a school nearby, so you have to say hafi ya ishuri, hafi y'isoko. So it's very important to know landmarks. Yes. So most of people, they don't know the street numbers. They don't know by heart. Like if you tell me, where is KG 306? I will not know where is it. Yeah, I have to look on the map. But in my mind, I will not remember. But if you tell me, I want to go to Kibagabaga and close to the hospital, ndashaka kuja Kibagabaga hafi y'ibitaro, then I will know because you say close to this. Yeah. So that's how we tell numbers, street numbers and house numbers. So again, we want you to practice numbers and know that numbers helps you to tell phone number, tell street numbers, tell the days, the months. So it's very, very crucial that you learn numbers. Murakoze cyane rero, mugire umunsi mwiza. Bye bye.